When Mr. MC Cariappa walked into our Bangalore Experience Center, he had a clear vision to transform his underused guest bedroom into a multifunctional space where he could practice yoga, set up a compact home gym, and still accommodate guests when needed. As we discussed his space requirements, he was immediately drawn to our signature Murphy bed solutions, compact, elegant, and perfect for rooms that need to do more. But there was one challenge. In his home, we found that the wall where he intended to mount the Murphy bed was made of gypsum board, which lacked the structural strength required for a standard wall-mounted bed installation. Instead of turning him away or compromising on safety, our design team stepped up with an innovative solution. We proposed an alternative method, mounting the Murphy bed to the ceiling instead of the wall. At Invisiblebed, we believe that no space is too small or too difficult, only opportunities to think smarter. Whether it's a weak wall or a tight room, we're committed to crafting space-saving furniture that fits your life. Got a space challenge? Visit our Experience Center or DM us for a personalized consultation. Or call us at 1-8005-470209.